Hi, I'll be doing a video about photosynthesis. After this video, you should be able to describe the process of photosynthesis and to state the word equation for photosynthesis. And before I go on about that, did you know that there is a biochemical way of making energy through artificial photosynthesis? Artificial photosynthesis is basically when people use the chemistry behind photosynthesis to make like an artificial version of it. So, firstly, what are producers and consumers? Producers are living things that can make their own food, like algae and most plants. And algae's algae is different from plants because, well, algae can be unicellular or multicellular. Algae don't have stem, leaves, or roots, and algae mostly live underwater while plants live on land. Most plants live on land, sorry. And consumers are living things that eat and digest their food, like animals, some other plants, us, etc. And what is photosynthesis? It is how plants make food, basically. And it's a chemical reaction where plants take in carbon dioxide and water and turn it into glucose and oxygen. So that is the word equation. Carbon dioxide and water, and glucose and oxygen. Where does the photosynthesis happen? It happens in the chloroplast of the leaf cell. And if you've ever wondered why leaves are green, it's because they have pigments called chlorophyll. And the chlorophyll uses the energy from the sun to make the chemical reaction of carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. How does water get into a plant? Water diffuses through the root hair cells. It goes through the xylem tubes, and water evaporates through the leaves. And here is a diagram of what happens. How do gases get into and out of a plant? There are holes on the underside of the leaf, and the carbon dioxide diffuses in through the holes and oxygen diffuses out. And the diagram below is a diagram of the photosynthesis of how light energy is used to make this happen, and how carbon dioxide enters through the leaves, carbon dioxide enters the leaves, oxygen leaves the leaves, and the chlorophyll and chloroplast absorb the light. And to summarize all that, photosynthesis is a chemical reaction of making carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and glucose. Water diffuses into the root hair cells and travels through a tube called xylem tubes. And gases diffuse in and out through tiny holes in the leaves. And that's it. Thank you.